natin dito, no, kasi yung platform na yan, as per assessment ng mga cognizant agencies ng gobyerno, no, ito ay isang data gathering platform. Mayroong marine scientific research information, marine scientific information na kanilang kinakalap. At ang importante dito, before anything else, yung Baho de Masinloc, no, just to put some context, ang
Opo.
Baho de Masinloc kasi, di ba, is about 120 nautical miles from the nearest province ng Philippines, which is Zambales. And it is more than 500 nautical miles from the nearest southernmost territory ng China, which is the Hainan province. So, pagdating doon sa international law, particular sa UNCLOS, yung coastal state na merong 200 nautical mile, ang siyang pwede lang magkaroon ng karapatan, sovereign rights and jurisdiction sa mga maritime features na nakapaloob doon sa 200 nautical miles. So makikita natin dito, ang layo ng China at yung mga ginagawa nila doon to include yung kanilang platform na nakita natin ay illegal, unauthorized.